Well, when I choose the specific card that I want to work with, how do I start to use it? What do I do to bring the full effect of this card into my being? Well, what we're going to do is I'm going to give you guys an example of how the healing code cards can work, and it's very simple. There's actually 3 ways to do it. The first way is just holding up the card right to your face like this, and you want it to be at least 1 foot away from your face. Okay? You don't have to have it so close like this, but you don't want it too far away either. So about 1 foot, 12 inches away from your face, and you're just looking at it for a total of at least 60 seconds if you can. All right? If it's too intense, you can use it for a shorter amount of time. Say 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 45 seconds. But you want to at least get the 60 seconds worth of time as it's 1 foot in front of your face and just staring at the card. Is there a specific area that I should stare at? No, just look at the entirety of the card, focus your eyes upon the center of the card. As you're doing that, spirit code cards are going to work. It's working with your entire body because, as I said, as soon as you start to touch these, and as soon as you start to focus on these, the codes within the healing code cards are coming through, and they are doing their work with your body. So again, with the stomach enhancer here, it's working on any particular forms of conditions contained in the contents of cards area that's helping out with your stomach. And you may also want to talk to the card and saying, I have problems with my stomach acid. Healing code card for the stomach enhancer, please help in healing my stomach acids within my stomach. Let it be done. And now, those spirit codes are listening to you, and that is going to take an effect. So again, you're just looking at it for a total of 60 seconds. After 60 seconds is up, there's 2 other things that you can do alternatively. You can now take this card, and you can place it upon any area of your body you want. Okay, so again, as this is the stomach enhancer card, we can even place this on top of the head and it'll still go to the stomach. We can place this on top of the chest, it'll still go down to the stomach. We can place this around the leg, it'll still go around to the stomach. Okay, so as long as it's placed on any area of your body, these codes contained within this card will go into that specific area. And it's the same with all the other cards as well too. So again, placing it on your body is the second option that you can do. The third option is just having a glass of water and placing the card on top of the glass, leaning it against the side of the glass, or even putting it underneath. Now, you may want to put a coaster over the card and then just have a coaster right here, and that will still continue to make an effect. So, as far as firstly, staring at the card for 60 seconds. When you are resting it on your body, you want it there for at least 60 seconds. But you can certainly go longer. You can go 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, an hour, 2 hours, however long you like to, as long as you feel you can handle it relating to that specific card. When you're charging your water, you're just putting it around the glass, anywhere you want, and charging it for a minimum of 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, just sip your water, okay? Don't gulp it all down. Just take sips as you are drinking the spirit codes for the water, all right? So those are the 3 options that you can use when you're working with the healing code cards. Staring into the cards for 60 seconds, placing it upon your body for 60 seconds or longer, charging your water for at least 60 seconds with the healing code card.